How to delete a Facebook group chat. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Open any group chat from here. Now, tap on the group chat name at the top. Over here, scroll down and go to the Chat Info section. Tap on See Group Members. If you want to remove someone from this group, then tap on their name. Then, tap on Remove from Group. You have removed this person from the group. Now, repeat the same steps to remove all the members of the group. Once you're done, tap on your name and then select Leave Group. Tap on Leave again to confirm. You have now successfully left this group and deleted it as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete a Facebook group chat.